hello, this is Laxmi here. After attending the 4-day workshop, now my mind is just blowing with lots of knowledges and I have much more clear view on health. After attending this workshop, I have learned so many things. Now I knew how to maintain my circadian triangle and how to approach holistically. Before naturopathy, I have so many thoughts about health, like how to maintain a healthy life, how does living a healthy life feels like, does taking more quantity of food makes me healthy, like steps and all. But after naturopathy, after attending Vishal sir classes and workshops, now I knew how to maintain my circadian triangle in a holistic way and provide my soul a healthy body and a beautiful, colorful, joyful mind. So, what we eat is what we are, what we think, what we become. Choosing right things at the right time make us lead a disease-free life. That's what I learned from this webinar, and I recommend naturopathy to others. And I thank Vishal sir and Go Nature team for bringing us a wonderful session and. I am healthy, I am happy, I am passionate, I am confident, I am brave, I am wealthy, and I love myself. Thank you.